Hello and welcome to your latest Maths Wizard video. Today we're going to be looking at rounding to a given number of decimal places. So that's essentially the skill we're going to cover today. So we're going to look at a few examples first, and then we're going to give you 5 questions just to practice this skill with. So your first question here says round 85.28 to 1 decimal place. So what this means is when you're rounding to 1 decimal place, you're going to be left with just 1 digit after your decimal point. So to round this accurately, you need to look at then your second digit after your decimal point. Now, your second digit, if your second digit is 4 or below, so 4, 3, 2, 1 or 0, that means your first digit after the decimal point will stay the same. If it's 5 or above, so 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then this first digit is going to increase. So this will become 85.3 if you round it to 1 decimal place. Okay, so because we've got an 8 there, that's got to increase to 85.3. It's nearer to 85.3 than to 85.2. So if you think of it like money, imagine if this was like £85 and 28 pence, it's nearer to £85.30 than £85.20, essentially. So that's 1 decimal place. We always look at that second decimal place to round it. Now, when we round it to 2 decimal places, we're going to be looking at a third decimal place there. But the principle is again the same. The only difference this time is we're going to be left with 2 digits after your decimal point. So we're still going to have 97 at the start. Now, because we've got a 1 here, that means that second digit will stay as an 8. Okay, so this often comes up when you're dealing with money. Remember, money should always be 2 decimal places. When you're dealing particularly with pounds or dollars, things like that. So it's going to be 97.58 for this particular example. If we had a number that was 5 or above there for our third digit, we would go up to 97.59. Next one. So we've got 58.246 to 2 decimal places. Now you'll notice here your third digit is a 6, which means that second digit will go up 1. So it'll go up to 5. So you'll end up with 58.25 for that example. Okay, I'm going to give you just a few questions to practice with now then. So if you pause your video, have a go at these 5, and then you can play the video again and check your answers. Okay, and here are your answers to these questions. So they're all relatively similar to the examples. Still the same if you've got an answer that's less than 1 here. Obviously here we've got this 6, which means it'll become 0.57 for that one. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. So please hit subscribe if you want to see loads more content over the next few months, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.